Numbers is, to me, like the blood of all businesses, and getting to add that value and have that impact on so many businesses in our community is just what really keeps me going every day. I am the CEO and founder of Novii CPA. We work doing accounting, taxes, fractional CFO services for biotech and manufacturing companies.
I've known Victoria for a couple of years. She's really trying to disrupt the current service model for accounting. But more importantly, she's launched a software company that's trying to address a lot of the roadblocks that traditional accounting occurs for their own internal processes. It's really interesting innovation in a field that probably doesn't have a lot of innovation in it.
Community is such a huge part of who I am and even the business that I am building. And I love how Edgewood is so attached and very much into our Madison community. Those values have been with me all along my journey. I think one of the strengths of Edgewood College is the support from the professors. One of my favorite accounting teachers was Jay Gill. He created a lot of very fun activities. He used to tell us in class, hey, do not about failure. Failure is just a lesson. He always created that environment that it's okay to bring up questions, and he always makes sure that he was intentional about checking in with us. It was absolutely wonderful. I am so thankful that I am able now to continue on. I always think that we all need to be like rivers. So I think that the professors, my classmates, all share so much valuable information with me, and now I get to pass it along. My favorite Dominican value is compassion. I think that we need to be compassionate with ourselves and with those around us. My proudest accomplishment is to be able to help my family. I come from a very humble background, and really be able to help my entire family has been my biggest accomplishment. What I love the most about Edgewood College, the fact that they are able to offer programs for different individuals in different stages in their life. I may not be the traditional student, but I can still be part of this amazing organization.